Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to create a TradingView account on iPhone step-by-step guide. If you want to start tracking charts using alerts or setting up custom indicators, here's how to sign up properly. First of all, download the TradingView app, and then when the app launches, tap sign up or continue with Apple in the bottom of the screen. Next, click on continue, and then it will ask for your face ID. After that, it will send you notifications, or you can just give all the permissions. After that, you can edit your username to anything you want to keep it. If you have YouTube, you can enter your YouTube. If you have Twitter, you enter your Twitter. And if you want to change the profile picture, you can change it, and that's it. This is how you guys can make your TradingView account on iPhone. Subscribe for more quick fixes.